Hello everyone, Wayne here. So today is day 18 of my water only fast plus electrolytes, and this morning I weighed in at 96.8 kilograms or 213.4 pounds. So I'm feeling well once again, and I'm actually surprised at how well I'm feeling this time around. The previous fasts were not that easy. I've learned a lot. The biggest thing was electrolytes, which I made a video on before. And the other thing that I'm tracking as well is my glucose ketone index. Many people ask me why and how. The reason why for me is when the glucose ketone index is less than 1, it means that your blood glucose levels, let's say example 4.2 mmol per liter, which is Australian, is less than 5.3 ketone mmol per liter. So then the answer will, you divide those two, 4.2 divided by 5.3. If it's less than 1, you are in what they call therapeutic ketosis mode, which is the highest autophagy cleaning mode that the body can be in. Anything from 1 to 3 is also optimal health cleaning type mode. And I just want to reiterate, I'm not a medical doctor. I am just sharing my advice, or not advice, my experience. And please, if you have any medications or whatever, go and speak to your doctor before you try any of this. Make sure that it's all well and electrolytes are going well as well. Some people, if they go too low in the glucose-ketone index, can have problems, or if they have too much ketosis, they can have problems. So go and find out about those things. For me, I'm doing well on a glucose-ketone index of less than 1. So what I've been asked is to show how I measure it. So I'll literally go around now and show you. I'm going to use, first off, I will use my glucose monitor. So I will open this little glucose monitor, and then I'm gonna prick my finger. Yeah. So I take the little strip and put it into the glucose monitor, and it takes about 5 seconds or so for an answer to come up. And now the answer is 3.9 for my glucose. And if I then go and I measure my ketone, so it's a different strip. This one takes a bit longer, it's about 10 seconds to do. So I just go and measure my ketones. Now, yeah, it's busy processing that. So my glucose was 3.9, and now my ketone is 5.8. And then I'll take that and I will divide that. So 3.9, 5.8, and that will give me a, yeah, I need my glasses. 3.9. So my glucose ketone index is 0.67 today. So from my logbook, I can see that I've been in less than 1 GKI for, or at least 10 days now, and it might be a bit more because it took a while for my ketone strips to arrive to do the testing. So that is how I do that, and I keep a logbook. The other thing I also do is every day I measure my blood pressure. So every day I've got my weight, a smart scale that gives me my fat weight, body fat percentage, muscle weight, and a few other things as well, including visceral fat. Visceral fat takes a long time to go away. I've realized that now. So then the blood pressure, my glucose levels, my ketone levels, and then I just track my mood and those things in the log as well. So I might find a link. There's a few doctors online that explains the glucose ketone index better. Go and search about that. But if you get under the 1, and that means your body is really repairing itself. So I think the reason that I'm also having it so easy is I've done fast in the past, and a lot of the difficult cleansing might have taken place then. So now it's maybe just like a maintenance cleansing. I don't know. It is what it is. So now on to day 19.